WebWork installation. There are a lot of ways to get access to WebWork, and many of them are described on the MAA wiki page for WebWork shown here. We're going to describe one way, which is to install it on a local server. Installing WebWork is simple. However, since WebWork is an open source project that is continually being improved upon, it is also a moving target. The installation issues that come with one version won't be the same as those that come with any future version. Moreover, setting up WebWork at any given institution server will come with its own particularities, such as dealing with firewalls and other security measures. For these reasons, I will only go through the very basics of installation. I'm going to show you where the code lives online, which is GitHub. So if you navigate to github.com, you can search for WebWork. Putting WebWork in the search bar and pressing enter will give you some hits. You want to look for Open WebWork. And within Open WebWork, navigate to www_install. Scrolling down to the README section will give you detailed instructions on how to install WebWork, and I will go through just a few of them with you right now. Some preliminaries. You need to have root privilege or be a super user with sufficient administrative rights. You also need Git installed, and you need some memory. On our machines, WebWork takes up about 4 gigabytes of memory. So let's begin by using Git to clone the repository. Now we see that we have WebWork_install. I'm going to cd into that directory. Look what's inside. And we'll see that we have a shell script. And I'm just going to run that shell script with bash. When you actually execute this install_WebWork shell script, everything will be done for you, and hopefully by the end of it, you will have completely installed WebWork. However, if you do have problems, you can go to the WebWork MAA site, click on Forums, scroll down to Installation, and search for your problem. You can also search the forums globally with your specific problem. And see what the forum has to say. So as you can see, the WebWork community has tried to make installation easy by creating a do-it-all shell script for you to run, and by answering and posting lots of solutions to common installation problems.